So basically, this is the project idea for ride share application. Just like we have Uber and Ola application, which basically used by general all peoples. Okay, but this application is basically specially designed for college student. Okay, so as we have a very huge problem in college students, they have to travel a lot, right? So this is the application. So here college student can share their ride. Okay, they can create a ride or they can join others ride to save money. Okay, so this is a basically login screen of our particular application. It is basically developed in React Native. Okay, so first you need to do a sign up of your account to access the application. So let's suppose, let me create some account, Sam, and you have to provide your college email ID, uh, because this is basically especially designed for colleges, right? So it should be college email ID. And we have one more authentication, like admin will verify the user, then only you will be able to access it. Okay, let me provide some number. Your college ID, as of now I am taking randomly. Okay, and the department, you can put college name, etc. Okay, and you have to create the password. uh, Once you done with all information, then you have to click to create account button. Once you create account button, it will give you pop-up message once the success. And once you click OK, then it will show you verification status. As right now we are under verification, until and unless you will won't be able to log in it. Okay, so to do the verification from admin panel, first you have, then you have to go to admin panel side. Okay, as of now it's basically college project, so we have use simple admin credential. Okay, so first you have to do login as an admin. Once you do logged in as an admin, you will get the dashboard. So this is the admin dashboard. Here you will be able to manage the verification thing as well as user management. So in user management, you will be able to see all available user. You can remove that user, you can delete it, you can deactivate it, you can do the complete management, user management. Here as you can see, as of now we have created Sam, so it is nothing because it's not under verified, so we can't do anything. Okay, so it's under verification. You can also do the filters. We have added the filters option here also. Also if you want to search with the some name, so you can also do with the name based search operation. Okay, so this way you can do the different user management and filtration. Same way, if I go back and if I go to review verification, so in review verification you will get the all information. Okay, whatever user has created, you will get it here. As you can see, Sam has created, and it has the engineering branch and mobile number and its ID card. Okay, so from here admin can verify whether it is genuine user or not, and they can approve or reject accordingly. So as of now, let me approve it. So once you upload, you will get the success pop-up. Okay, now if I go back and do the logout, or okay, and if I check with the same account which I have created right now. Okay, so now I'll be able to log in it. Okay, as of now let me put some wrong credential. Okay, so it will do the verification of credentials. Okay, so let me put correct one. So now I am putting correct credentials. So as you can see, I have put the correct credential and got the access of home page. Okay, so this is the user dashboard. So here you can see we have options, quick option, like I can create a ride. Okay, I can create a ride, I can find ride someone. If I want to join someone ride, I can join that. Okay, I can check my all history as well as the ride request which I have requested to join. Okay, and this is also some dashboard thing. Okay, and here you will be see all available ride which are currently going on. Okay, so these are the two rides which right now is going on. Okay, but yeah, in notification panel you will get the all notification, whatever notification will be generated, like you will get it here. As you can see, as of now our account is verified, so a notification we have got for the account. Okay, so similarly let me create some right. Okay, so once you click to create right, first you have to make sure your location sensor should be on, and you have to allow the location permission whenever it will ask. Okay, so you can create a right. Let's suppose I want to go from let's suppose I want to go from Surabadi. Okay, you can search from here. Okay, if you want to search certain location. Okay, or if you want to, this is the Surabati. Okay, so this is the Surabati, and let me set the pickup. Okay, this is the pickup location. Okay, so this way you can select the pickup location. Similarly, if you want to search for a particular destination, either you can search it from here, you can use my location, or else if you want to select from Google map, you can also do it from here also. Okay, suppose I want to select this Kamptee. Okay, so you have to zoom it. Okay, and you have to click that particular location, and then you have to click set destination. It will take latitude, longitude and address automatically. Okay, you can also edit it if you want to, but if you want to keep the same, then you can set destination or get it. Okay, and let me select the date. Let me set 27. I will go 27 on 6 p.m. Okay, and I'll be having 2 seat. Like I have a, let's suppose I have a bike. Okay, and I can take 1 seat. Okay, so you can select number of seats can be available for ride. Okay, so let's suppose I can able to get 1 seat. Okay, one member I can get. Okay, so any one other college student can join me. Okay, and let me set some price. Let's suppose I want to set 50 rupees. Suppose some people want to go from that particular Surabadi to Kamptee, then they have to pay me 50 rupees. Okay, and additionally if you want to put some notes, you can put the notes as well. Okay, and in the bottom then you will get the complete cost breakdown. Okay, so let me create, just click, then once you done with all fill up, then you have to click on create ride button, and as you can see I have got the successfully message. Okay, so yeah, so once I have successfully created my ride, as you can see count has increased. Okay, and in the available ride I can also able to see my particular ride, right, this one. Okay, and if I request this particular ride to join, then it will throw an error. Why? Because this is created by me only, so how can I join the same? Okay, so this is for create ride option. Okay, and now let's suppose I want to find some ride. Okay, I want to find some ride. Okay, if you go back and if you check in the available rides, so there is a one ride from Itwari to Kamptee, which is for today. Okay, if you see this one, this is for today from Itwari to Kamptee. Okay, similarly if you go down, so there is a second ride Itwari to Kamptee, which is for 28. Okay, 28 May, which is 3 seat available. Okay, so these are the two rides available. Okay, so in the find ride, let's select the same location or nearby location for the same. Okay, let's suppose I want to go from Itwari, because we have seen the Itwari. Okay, so this is the Itwari, so I want to confirm this as a select location, and I want to go nearby some Kamptee. Okay, and this is the Kamptee, so I want to go suppose this location, this blue dot location. Just a second.